Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Buick Envision ST. 228 horsepower, 2-liter 4-cylinder. You've got cloth mixed with leather. You have ST embroidered on the headrest. Here's your screen. It's not a full digital gauge cluster. You have like a small screen in the center. Here's your gear shifter. Interesting shifter right there. No sunroof. You got heated seats, which I'm using right now. Well, that acceleration is not too bad. I was expecting it to be slower, but it's not too bad. These heats are heating up pretty fast. Loss of traction under hard acceleration. The steering wheel grip is a little bit weird. Like at 9 and 3, behind the steering wheels, typically there's like a little groove here for your fingers to rest, but this one doesn't really have that. It's not as easy to grip the steering wheel. And the shift paddles, what I don't like in GM products is the shift paddles are really small. They're like that big. It just feels weird. Like, it's just really small. I don't like it. But yeah, nothing too special about this car. It's just another Buick to drive around in for daily driving if you like Buicks. Right? There's nothing. I don't have anything bad to say, but I don't have anything good to say. It's just another car. You know what I mean? Yeah, comfortable drive. The pickup is not bad at all, as I was mentioning earlier. It accelerates pretty quickly for only having 228 horsepower. Engine is pretty noisy. Obviously sound deadening is not probably going to be something focused on in this car. Yeah, typically we end these videos with a quick walk around on the car, but since it's pouring, gotta skip it this time. Let's go park this thing back. Thanks as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you all in the next one. I'm out.